Hey everyone, Eric Graham here with Innovate Real Estate. And if you're someone who has been watching the news, paying attention to that, you've probably heard earlier this week that the Fed cut interest rates. Also, you may have heard some news story about mortgage rates coming down at 3-year lows and things of that nature. And that is all a very true thing. All those things have happened here in the very recent past. But you may be asking, what does that mean for me and my real estate dreams and goals? So, first off, I am not a mortgage lender. I don't have any expertise in that. I have two great lenders that I can get you in contact with that will break down your specifics. And we can figure out what you cannot do, and help you devise a plan to move forward in regards with that. But in regards to what's all happening and all of that and projecting forward right now, from all reports that we're seeing, the mortgage rates are still in a little bit of a flux of things. But if we get to a point where we see interest rates are consistently at a low level of things, that we're going to see a lot of buyers are going to be able to have a lot more confidence in their ability to make a new home purchase, which most likely would bring more buyers to the area. And the simple economics, you get more buyers into a market. We're going to see the potential of home prices going up, but that's not anything that's going to happen immediately. If any of this happens, and once again, there's a lot of ifs with this entire scenario, but if these things happen and we have a couple months of seeing that consistency, buyers' confidence moves up of things, that's when we're really we potentially could see a shift in our market, specifically here in the greater Myrtle Beach area. But right now, things will be just kind of par for the course as they've been over the last 6-12 months or so. But once again, there are a lot of ifs, and please pay attention. I'll try to give you as many updates as I am getting them, and reading the market and seeing where all that stuff is. But please pay attention if you are interested in buying or selling. The market has the potential here in the next 3 to 6 months to make a little bit of a shift here in the local area. So just make sure you're paying attention to things. Speak with a mortgage professional that you know and trust, or if you want to reach out to me, I'll get you in contact with a couple of guys that I know and trust that will make sure they get you taken care of. And then we'll set forth a plan to make sure we execute and get you to your real estate dreams. So hope you guys all have a great weekend, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.